in those ears? Is it a brain? No, just floof. No brain.
Okay, this is going to be your one and only warning. Not only am I going to imply, but I'm going to firmly state this bird is far more evolved than you and I. I'm going to insult you. I'm going to tell you that this bird is better, and you're going to believe me. I'm damn well going to swear at you. This is not an educational video. This is a character assassination of the entire human race, which, look, I'm assuming that you're a part of. We're both ugly, so let's just say we're both human. But this is peak evolution. This is peak evolution. This is peak evolution. Your friends and family lied to you. Look around. There are pigeons in our streets. They're in our sky. They're on our trains. Look at this bastard. Maybe he didn't even tap on. He's not even paying taxes. They're in your wall. Maybe there's even a pigeon in bed with your wife. Not my wife. Why are these atrocities to the foundation of human civilization and the civilization of mankind so much more superior to us? But more specifically you. Why do you ask? Let me tell you, our architects, our engineers cannot compete with their ingenuity. Every bridge or building is their domain, their home, their territory. They are so advanced, we simply cannot grasp the technical knowledge that they pour into their creations. Let me provide to you the divine intervention that is the pigeon nest. This is peak evolution. Oi, no, that's just a couple of sticks on a doormat. Nah, some people may refer to these as stupid pigeon nests. But is it? Or are you just too stupid to comprehend their mega mind? We are victim to their vast intellect, much more vast than the gap between your ears. Tell me I'm wrong. Seriously, how can this be incorrect? You, me, your wife, we all know that pigeon is right and cannot be wrong. They are rugged, wild, masculine. Expect to see buff dudes with tattoos of pigeons moving forward because living in the city is easy mode for them. Where do pigeons live? No, seriously, have you ever seen a pigeon in the wild? No? Well, not unless you're Alex Honnold or casually explained in his brand new Sportivas. You've probably never free soloed high enough to even touch the shit of these majestic beasts. They live on cliffs. Yeah, they live on cliffs. And you're just too fragile to compete. Now, look in their eyes. Look in their eyes. Both of them. No need to be rude. This is peak evolution. These nests are right. They are superior. You are not more advanced than a pigeon.